Ooh, what is this place? Looks great. Have you eaten here before?
No, it's the first time.
First time?
Yeah.
Looks so good.
Have you been here before?
No, I've never.
Okay.
Are you just walking by or have you heard of it?
I'm just
Walking by.
Oh my gosh, what the heck? I kind of want to try it too. I'm live on Twitch, by the way. Hello.
Yeah, that's cool. I see the chat.
Hey, do you know Twitch?
Yeah, Twitch TV, yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Here, take my card.
Yeah, what are you
Just
streaming?
Just life, IRL,
You
travel
do,
and exploration.
You do, YouTube videos too? Or just
Slowly, yeah, slowly,
okay. Are you like based around here?
yeah. I'm in Jersey, but I was born and raised in Queens, and I hang out in the city all the time.
Oh yeah, yo, I love this type of shit, man. I love
Yeah,
content
man,
creators.
awesome.
Yeah.
Looks like you have like a little, camera thing here.
I just came from a mechanical keyboard meetup.
What? Where? Do you know Tim Keyless?
No. Oh, what?
Tim Keyless.
I've heard of the person.
That's my boy. Do
Okay.
you know Teha Types?
Yeah, I watch a little bit of stereotypes sometimes.
Oh shoot, that's cool. What?
Yeah,
I wish there was a key. I wish I knew about the keyboard meetup, but
yeah.
do you know when the next one's gonna be?
They're gonna try to have it, have it happen like once a month.
Oh wow.
This is the first time they did something like this.
Yeah, please DM me on Instagram.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I would know some other people who are there.
Okay.
Yeah, like
Cool.
because I was well connected in the keyboard community.
Okay, sweet.
So awesome. Nice to meet you. I'm Keem, by the way.
All right, nice to meet you, Druku.
Druku?
Yeah.
What a sick name. Awesome.
All right.
Have a good one,
on.
alright? Take care. Druku. What up, Cheffler? Druku. Chat, the keyboard meetup. Pretty fire, chat, not gonna lie. Okay, actually, so chat, I feel it coming again, so I feel the poopy coming. That was fast. Okay, so mechanical keyboards is basically like custom keyboard making. They do like, they build keyboards, like they lube switches. I know you guys are all gonna Craigasm now. They lube switches. They build like the PCB units, different things like that. They swap keycaps. Yeah, it's a very expensive hobby. But like keyboard meetups, basically you go and basically you just look at other people's keyboards. You exchange like keyboards like to test out and to kind of flex. And you get to try out, I guess, different caps or different switches that you don't have that you're kind of interested in. It's actually a really cool experience. So, yeah, you know Twitch? Yeah, I'm on Twitch. Yeah, of course you can.
What up to chat?
Of course.
Yo, chat, what up? What up, chat?